Hey, I'm Isaiah Cardona and I'm a multi-hyphen creative who loves using Procreate Dreams to add animation to all kinds of projects. Animating is one of my favorite things to do, and I'm all about making it easy and fun for everyone to jump in. If you've seen my tutorials on YouTube or taken my online classes, you probably know I'm all about helping people get started with animation and discovering how enjoyable it is. I truly believe anyone can create something amazing, and I'm here to guide you through it. In this class, we'll make a playful looping animation while diving into the basics of Procreate Dreams 2. I'll walk you through simple lessons and interactive exercises to help you set up your file and get started with confidence. We will also be exploring the 3 different animation techniques: keyframing, frame-by-frame animation using flipbook, and performing. And we won't stop there. I will also walk you through some helpful animation principles to help your animations really blast off. And finally, I'll show you how to export your work so you can share it everywhere. You don't need any prior experience to join in. I've designed this class to be welcoming for absolute beginners, as well as anyone looking to brush up on the latest updates. All you really need is an iPad, an Apple Pencil, and the Procreate Dreams app. If you're ready to kickstart your animation adventure and have some fun along the way, then let's get started.